Hello, welcome to Compute Lab. In this video, we will talk about how to install a Debian from Microsoft Store on WSL. So to start it, first we need to click on Microsoft Store, search for Debian, click on install, and now click on open. It will taking time to initialize. Now it's asking you to enter a new user. So here I will give people. The password would be the anything, but it should be a secret here. And here it goes. So you can see it's a Debian GNU Linux 12. Oh, and now I will show you how to delete it. So to delete this, you need to open a PowerShell and administrator. You need to first list it out. So here you can see that Windows subsystem for Linux distribution is Debian, which is by default. So to uninstall it, you just need to type this command WSL unregistered Debian. So it shows you the operation is completed successfully and you have unregistered it. And now just open the settings. Inside the settings, just go for install app. Here you will see Debian. Here it is. So click on uninstall, and now it's completely removed. You can check it now. Yes. So this is how you can install any distributions. Not It's not about Debian, but you can do it for Ubuntu or any distributions which is available on Microsoft Store. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to my next video.